Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes. I work at Analysis Prime as a senior consultant, and today I'm going to speak about one of the latest enhancements for the first quarter of 2024, and that is the Lite Viewer mode for core BI stories. Now, to improve the speed in the viewer mode of a story, SAP has introduced a Lite Viewer mode for business intelligence dashboards. Current requirements: the story must be within the optimized or unified story experience. It is limited to core BI dashboards. Any planning or advanced features is not currently supported, although SAP plans to support them later in the year. And the story will be redirected to the optimized experience view mode if those features are within the story. The story must be opened via a URL while using shell mode equals embed. And as you can see on the two sample URL addresses, the original is on the top, which doesn't include the shell mode equals embed. And the new URL, you can see where that fits into the URL address and what you would use. All right, so let's take a look at this and see how we can make this work within a story. So here I have a regular story that has been pulled up, and normally your story will just use it's saved without that shell mode embed. So what I've done is I've included a link. So you could actually do a landing page that includes a link to the Lite BI story using the shell mode equals embed in the URL. So if I hover over this, you can see the address does include shell mode equals embed. And so when I select that, it will load my story. You can see it loads quite quickly. Now, for some reason, this didn't meet the criteria for this light load. It would tell you here that it's you'd receive notification that it's actually being pulled up in the full viewer mode. I hope that helps with your story designing. Thank you.